Today, we're exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's not just about robots taking over, although that's great movie material. AI is woven into our daily lives, from the moment you unlock your phone with facial recognition to the creepy accurate recommendations on your favorite streaming service. But AI's potential goes way beyond the ordinary. Let's unveil some mind-blowing facts that might surprise you. Ancient dreams of intelligent machines. The concept of intelligent machines isn't new. Imagine this. Ancient Greek myths and Chinese legends explored the idea of automatons and mechanical men. Talk about being ahead of their time. AI is already here, and everywhere. You might be surprised at how much AI is already a part of your day. From the ever-helpful voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to the spam filter shielding your inbox, AI algorithms are constantly working behind the scenes to make your life easier. AI doesn't just do simple tasks. Forget about repetitive tasks. AI is a master of complex problem-solving too. Remember the legendary chess match in 1997? An AI named Deep Blue defeated the reigning chess champion, Garry Kasparov. Now, AI is making waves in medical diagnosis, scientific discovery, and even creative fields like art and music composition. AI, the artistic muse, unleashing your inner artist just got a tech upgrade. AI can analyze vast amounts of artistic data and create original works that mimic or even surpass certain styles. Imagine the possibilities for human-AI collaborations in the future, a masterpiece co-created by man and machine. The future of transportation is here. Almost, remember those futuristic movies with self-driving cars? Well, the future is knocking. AI algorithms are being fine-tuned to navigate roads, make real-time decisions, and ensure passenger safety. While fully autonomous vehicles are still under development, AI is already making our roads safer with features like adaptive cruise control and lane departure warnings. AI for good, a powerful ally. AI isn't just about cool gadgets and entertainment. It's a powerful tool for tackling some of humanity's biggest challenges. From predicting natural disasters to analyzing climate data, AI can provide valuable insights to help us prepare for the future. In healthcare, AI is assisting with drug discovery and medical imaging analysis, paving the way for personalized medicine. The future of AI and how you can be a part of it. AI is still evolving. We're only scratching the surface of AI's potential. As researchers delve deeper into machine learning and artificial neural networks, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications in the years to come. Imagine AI-powered robots assisting in complex surgeries, or intelligent systems personalizing your education based on your learning style. The possibilities are endless. AI collaboration is the key. The future of AI isn't about humans versus machines, but rather humans and intelligent machines working together. AI can handle complex calculations and data analysis, while humans bring their creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills to the table. This powerful partnership can lead to incredible advancements in science, technology, and beyond. The rise of the citizen scientist. You don't need a PhD in computer science to contribute to the world of AI. Citizen science platforms allow anyone to participate in AI development. Imagine helping train an AI assistant to become a whiz at translating languages or contributing data to projects that analyze climate patterns. There are countless ways you can be a part of the AI revolution. AI and ethics, a conversation for all. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, ethical considerations become paramount. We need open discussions about bias in algorithms, data privacy, and the potential impact of AI on the job market. By working together, we can ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly for the benefit of all. So, how can you get involved in the exciting world of AI? Here are some ways to get started. Explore online resources. There are numerous online resources, courses, and tutorials that can introduce you to the basics of AI and machine learning. No coding experience necessary. Many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces for beginners. Participate in citizen science projects. Many research institutions and organizations rely on citizen science to train and improve their AI models. Find a project that aligns with your interests and contribute your valuable data. Stay curious and keep learning. The field of AI is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest advancements by reading articles, watching educational videos, and attending online talks by AI experts. The more you learn, the more you can contribute to the conversation about AI's future. The world of AI is brimming with possibilities. By understanding its potential and navigating its challenges responsibly, we can harness this powerful technology to create a future that benefits all of humanity. Are you ready to be a part of the AI revolution? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures in tech.